First of all, I'd like to congratulate the Competitiveness Council and the EU for the launch of this ESFRI 2018 roadmap. For us, we see the roadmap and the launch of this ESFRI Roadmap 2018 as a milestone because it continues to indicate the importance of research infrastructure in the science and technology and innovation system. The reason why we continue to participate in these events and the significance internationally of some of the projects in the roadmap is that some of them are solving global problems, and also they offer an opportunity for scientists from other parts of the world to participate in the infrastructure that has been identified in the ESFRI roadmap. I just want to give examples of the projects in the roadmap that are important for South Africa, which have a global nature. The first one is the project on European synchrotron radiation facility, which of course is a global project, but we get the opportunity to bring scientists from South Africa and the rest of the continent to do research in this radiation facility. The second one is a project which is called the Long-Term Ecosystem Research for Europe, where they are looking at the changes in the ecosystem because of climate. We are partners in this project, of course, through some of the distributed activities that are happening in South Africa. And then, of course, in some of the projects which are flagships projects, we participate in about 3 of them. The first one is the Large Hadron Collider, which is based at CERN, is part of the projects that are on the ESFRI roadmap. The second one relates to the work that we do in South Africa, which is called the Square Kilometre Array. And the interest, of course, that we have in South Africa in this project is that we are hosting a certain part of this project in South Africa. And therefore, because of the global nature of the work that needs to be done and the solutions that this infrastructure is providing, we are extremely delighted. The second point, of course, for us in South Africa is that we have looked at the fact that this roadmap is one of the forefronts or the pioneer on how you develop global projects and how you sustain them over a period of time. And therefore, we have borrowed the methodology of the ESFRI roadmap, and we have used it in South Africa in particular to develop our own South African roadmap, research infrastructure roadmap in South Africa. That roadmap, which we call SARIR, was launched at the ESFRI 2016, which was held, as you remember, in Cape Town. And therefore, we again congratulate Europe for continuing to run this ESFRI roadmaps because of the global nature and how we in South Africa and in Africa and the rest of the world are benefiting from the projects in the roadmap.